morning children, this is K. Praveen Kumar, mathematics teacher, Kakatiya Public School, Nizamabad. Yesterday we discussed about laws of exponents and some exercise problems. Now let us discuss some different types of problems. Okay, let us continue our exercise problems. So question number 5. So here we have to find the value of n. We have to find the n value about this problem. So 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Then find the n value. This is an important problem. So we have to use law of exponents, which one is we have to use suitable law in this question, and we have to solve this problem. We get the value of n. Okay, what is my question is 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Then find the n value. Okay, this is important problem in our 8th class, especially exponents and powers. Okay, so first step we have to remove divided means how to write 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by, yes or no, this is symbol of divided. You have to use this type of also, both are same. Okay, 49 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Next, 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 49. How to write 49 means 7 into 7. Okay, 7 into 7. What is the value of 7 into 7? 7 sevens are 49. Okay, we have to write 7 into 7 means 7 sevens are 49. Here does not change the value. Both 49 is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Then 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 7 into 7. How to write? We have to use law of exponents, means exponent and power. Here 7 how many times repeated? 7 is repeated 2 times. So that we have to write 7 square means 7 square means we have to write 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Okay, here which formula? A to the power of m is divided by a to the power of n. We have to use this law of exponents formula. So a to the power of m is divided by a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m minus n. Okay, what is our condition? M is greater than n. Okay, we have to use this formula. So here is also both 7 both bases are same. Here 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 7 square means this is related to this formula. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m minus n. Okay, here how to write? Therefore 7 to the power of what is here exponent? 2n plus 1 minus formula symbol minus of here what is this power? 2 is equal to 7 cube. We have to write as it is. Then 7 to the power of 2n 1 minus 2 or minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means the answer is minus 1. Yes or no? 1 minus 2 or minus 2 plus 1, it is equivalent to minus 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 3. Here is also one law of exponent formula is there. What is that formula means? Here both bases are same, so that powers also same. Here symbol is equal, don't confuse children. Here is equal means both powers are same. Here into means m plus 1, we have to add the power. That is the difference between is equal and into. For example, a to the power of m into a to the power of n means here symbol into is there, so that we have to add the powers. Means a to the power of m plus n. Here is equal is there now. So both the bases are equal, so that we have to equal the powers also. Therefore, we are to write the conclusion. Both the bases are equal. So powers also equal. So that here what is base? 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1 moves this side, means change the symbols. Minus 1 became change the plus 1 is equal to 2n is equal to 3 plus 1. This implies 2n is equal to 4. This implies n is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 to the. Therefore, what is the n value? N value is 2. Okay children, this is important formula. Here we can use only one law of exponents is there, that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m plus n. One more thing, here both the bases are same, so that powers also same. So directly we get the value of n. Okay, go for sixth problem. Find x value. Here is also, this is one more type of exponents and powers. So find x value if 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. So we have to find the value of x. Here one law of exponents in this problem, we can use one law of exponent formula. What is that formula means? 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. Okay, this is very important law. What is the formula here? 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. This is reciprocal. Understood? Okay, here we have to use 2 to the power of minus 3. We have to use write as it is. So 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal. So here 1 by 2 to the power of x. 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. So that 1 by 2 to the power of x is equal. How to write according to this rule? 2 to the power of minus x. Negative power. Yes or no? Here in this situation, here both bases are equal, so that powers are also equal. Therefore, both bases are equal, so that powers also equal, so that both bases equal, powers also equal. Therefore, minus 3 is equal to minus x. Minus will cancel. Therefore, what is the x value? X is equal to 3. Understood children? This is we can use 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. So that 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power of minus 2. In this situation, both bases are equal, so that powers are also equal. So minus 3 is equal to minus x. So minus will cancel, means what is remaining x value? X is equal to 3. Okay, go for it. This is our seventh problem. This is one different type. So what is that problem mean? 5 to the power of 2 or to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Simplify this formula. Simplify this problem. Okay, how to simplify? Here is also we can use some law of exponents. Here one formula is there. Okay, in previous classes also we discussed about law of exponents, yes or no? So that law of exponents we have to implementation here. The law of exponents is very important in this chapter. Okay, so in this problem, which law of exponents first we can use? So a to the power of m, o to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n is equal to a to the power of m. Okay, first we can implementation this law of exponent in this question. So 5 square o to the power of 3 means this is related to this formula, yes or no? A to the power of m, o to the power of n means a to the power of m into n, a to the power of mn. Okay, instead of this one we can use this formula, so that 5 to the power of 2 into 3 means m into n into 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6 means 5 to the power of 3 to the or 2 3 the 3 to the 6 into 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Here we can use one more formula. What is that formula? A to the power of m into a to the power of n means a to the power of m plus n. Okay, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Means here 5 to the power of 6 plus 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6 means 5 to the power of 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 means 5 to the power of 10 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. How to write is divided by? We have to remove divided means we have to write 5 to the power of 10 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Here we can use one more formula, that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Here what is our condition? M is greater than n. So here 5 to the power of 10 minus 6. 5 to the power of 10 minus 6 means 5 to the power of 4. This is the answer. Okay children, did you get my points? So what is my problem is, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, here m comma n values are given. What is m value? M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So that find the value of 9m squared minus 10n cube. Okay, this is important problem. So how to solve this problem means, so m comma n values are given. Yes or no? What is m value? M is equal to 3 and what is n value? N is equal to 2. Okay, here m and n values substitute in this equation, we get result. Okay, so what is our equation is equal 9m square minus 10n cube. Okay, what is given values? Here given values is equal m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Okay, these two values substitute in this equation, we get result. So that 9 into m square, what is the m value? M is equal to 3 means 3 whole square minus 10 n cube. What is n value here? 2 cube. Okay, here we have to write 3 how many times? 2 times, and 2 how many times? 3 times. Okay, 9 into, we have to write 3 2 times. 3 into 3. Why are we writing 2 times means what is power here? 2. So that we have to write 2 times. Minus 10 into 2 we have to write 3 times. Why are we write 3 times means what is power here? 3. So that we have to write 3 times. Means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 9 into 3 3s are 9. Okay, minus 10 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 means 9 into 9 minus 10 into 8 is equal to 9 9s are 81 minus 10 8s are 80. So 81 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the answer. This is important problem. So we have implementation different formulas. Okay, we have to use all law of exponents in this chapter. We can use a lot of law of exponents in these problems. In previous problems also we get a result. Understood, children? Thank you.